Alright. We're gonna be trying the Gorilla Tag update one controller mode. Cause yeah, my other one's broken. But I haven't played this update yet. I've loaded in, but I haven't seen anything because I quit right at the loading screen. Ooh, Hudson is online. Also known as Hane VR. He is right here, Gil VR's brother. I might call him. Give me a sec. We'll see. Bro, what is wrong with my mouse right now? All right. I'll check out the update with Hudson.
He is. He said,
right.
"Give me 10 minutes."
I'm joined a code
Or 10
with
seconds. Come on.
Hayne VR, Gil's brother. Okay, I just figured out how to use this. Hayne showed me. You can rotate this. It shows, like, for the buttons, it shows everything you have on. That's cool. All right. Wait, let's go app chat so they can hear you. Okay.
Come on. Let's go to city.
City or in there?
You're not allowed in here. Go to city.
All right. Yeah. I don't know if they can hear you, but either way, it's fine.
Okay.
Yo, that's broken.
No, I'm just gonna end the call.
There's like a hole.
Okay.
There's a hole over there. What the? No!
Don't.
No!
Yeah, don't go. Go. City.
The ducky is back. Yo. This is cool.
Yeah, I know.
I already have this. Yo, Gil! Yeah, Gil's here. What's up, Gil? Yeah, that's okay. Okay. I haven't seen... Alright.
Who are you talking to?
I only know that there's a monkey built.
My friend Udate's gonna join.
What? Shuni
What's up,
Roots.
My friend Udatex is gonna join. Hope you don't mind.
Wait, what?
Don't do the build yet.
Yeah, I didn't.
Bonk.
Have you seen what shiny rocks look like?
I don't think the
Yeah,
video
I've seen
can
the
hear
shiny
you guys. I
rocks.
don't know
Look at
why.
them.
It's
They
sad, but
exist. I already own this.
I'll see.
Look.
Oh no, they can hear you. Barely.
And the plushie's back. And the plushie's back. It's
You
okay.
got those things I
already
want,
own this.
but I'm
Guess
too
how much shiny
broke.
rocks I have?
I might get
I
the
have-
Plushie's up
shiny
here.
I
rocks.
have 8,400.
God damn.
Hi.
Yo, this is
Just a little-
insane.
Look at ice cream.
I have 8,400.
Yo, Gil, come here.
I'm rich. Everything through my head. Ali, sweetie. Okay, I hope the
Wait,
glasses
this
work
kind of
today.
looks like rat
Yes,
spray.
they
It belongs on you then.
You know, I better put on some sunscreen once.
Okay. Wait, this is sunscreen?
Hello, Udatex.
Yo, Vito going.
Hello.
Hello. Boost, I'd like to introduce you.
Guess what?
We finally know what they look like.
You did?
That's very rude. I like the duck.
It's Hain VR. It's like rainbow with an H VR.
Alright.
Yeah,
Hello.
like shiny rocks.
What are y'all's opinions on the shiny rocks?
I already
They look
own this.
cool.
Look, I already own this.
Look at. They sound funny.
No, do this one.
I imagine them to be like less crystal, more rock
Alright.
though.
My eyes.
That's bug spray.
All right,
Black
we're
red.
going to the brand new map.
The build mode.
wait.
But
Alec?
Yo, why will the...
how? My arm.
I don't see a tree. What? What
Yo,
treehouse?
guys, the
There is none.
glasses won't work. They just switch with a different cosmetic or
There's
they
no
just don't
treehouse.
show up.
Oh,
I
there
want
it
to
is.
try the glasses.
It never loaded in. Wait,
Look, no
shrink.
one touched the treehouse. No one
Bro!
touched the treehouse yet.
Wait, Gil.
Look, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't.
Wait, I want to see. Wait.
Here. Yes, it is.
We
Yo, don't.
Wait, like, you know, try like putting
Yo.
it like on the ground because you can like,
updates are
drop
so
it,
funny
like,
with your
yeah,
friends. I swear.
Like, it'll,
Bro, I have to
click.
climb this
It's
with
not
one
how
hand.
Legos, like the click. Yeah, they, oh my god.
Bro, my window.
Oh, Zeternix, you can.
You
travel
broke my
so we
window.
can't walk. Just grab.
You keep launching
Wait.
yourself.
No.
Ah! Ah!
Or anyone.
Oh no! Guys, help! Help me! Gil, help! What? Do I still sound mini?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna grow.
Jump
Okay,
on.
good.
Help! I'm stuck in the house.
Jump on.
Okay.
Wait, guys,
This is the
take
roof
the
off. I
ice.
ripped the
I
roof
think
off.
this is ice. Is this ice? Yeah.
Dude, like,
Wait,
I was
you still
playing the
sound
update,
mini.
I
and
got
was,
stuck
like,
inside.
In the roof mini, and then I became big, and I was like half out on the map, and everyone else was like weird sizes.
Not anymore.
Dang.
Gil, did you make an video on the update?
Oops. Why'd you
Why?
just destroy the house? Okay, guys.
Oh,
When
yeah,
I
that's
first
ice.
reacted to the update, I
I'm
built the
gonna
world's
test that.
biggest
I'm gonna
double
test
walls.
it.
I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah.
Yo, someone
Yo!
go mini.
My ice blocks. Yo, I wanna go in. I wanna go in.
Go mini.
Whee!
I did. I'm probably not gonna post it though.
What am I witnessing?
Try to walk out.
Look.
Oh! Gil! I got trapped.
No.
You guys' voice is so.
Double walls.
What is
I'm
that?
building them for you guys.
No.
How do I get up there with one
Oh
arm?
no! Oh no! Boost! Cedernix, grow! Cedernix, grow!
Yes!
I'll catch you!
Oh! Yo, guys! Computer has a new texture.
Oh shoot. Okay. Hudson, stop. Wait, I'm gonna save you. I'm saving you.
Monkey blocks.
Zeta, grow with your watch. Grow. No, no. I'm stuck on something. Help me. It's like rusty. Oh, we have a watch.
Donk.
Yeah, Zeta,
Yo.
grow.
No!
Someone
This
trap
update's
me.
bad.
Ah!
Gil!
Someone trap
Help!
me.
Help!
Gil, can you trap me, Gilbert?
Yeah.
I know where you live.
Just grab 2 blocks. I want to see what it looks like. Do it.
Come here, Gil. Come over here. Come here.
No, man. No, no.
No!
Wait. I just killed him. I killed him. Look, you trapped him in the wall.
I gotta run.
R.I.P. Hudson.
No,
R.I.P. Hayne.
What? No, you don't.
no, no, no.
Ankles.
Wait, what? Ah!
Ankles.
No, get the fan. No.
Donk. Ah! Wait, guys, you can go on the fans when you're
He
big.
died because of how hard he's laughing.
No.
Donk.
I'm stuck. Ah.
Bro.
No. I gotta get in the fan. I bet he won't catch me. No. Ah.
No.
No.
Yeah, I know. It's funny.
Yeah, you catch me.
Come here.
This might be a little bit size non-accurate because I made them too thin.
Wait, I'm gonna jump in the
That wasn't
I
me.
might
Wait,
mess up.
where are you?
You try them out. See if they feel like.
Oh my god. Listen.
Look where he threw me.
Hayne, how did you get up there?
Don't break the double wall. Oh, no.
Hi, Hayne.
Yo, look up where the trees are.
Oh my goodness.
No, Hayne. Oh my god.
I fixed them.
Hey, small monkey. Bro!
Wait,
Why?
Who wants trees?
Wait, somebody trap me with the 2 plates. Somebody trap me.
Free.
Bro,
Did you
your
get
voice is so
dumpstered by a
deep.
tree?
Yes.
I want to try. I want to try the double
Who's
wall.
cooking?
Oh
No!
Another
Alright,
friend is
that's
calling
fine.
me.
Who is it?
Wait, is this collidable even though it's not connected? Yes. Why has my hand gone through it?
Another one of my friends might be
It's kind of
joining.
broken.
Oh,
No!
who died?
Yo, music reminds me of FNAF.
Yo, guys, where's computer?
Cedernix is monkey.
Yo, the music reminds me of FNAF music. What is this?
No.
You scared me. You scared me.
That's the lamp, Gilbert. Look. Cedar Next, look, I'm inside the lake.
Wait, say it when you're small. Say it when you're small.
Don't when you're many, it's fine.
Wait, somebody say it while you're small.
Wait, I'm stuck.
Oh god.
Wait,
Wait,
I'm
guys,
gonna.
someone who's many, Sage, you wanna play mini games? Say it.
Do you want to play mini games?
Hudson. Hey, I can't do
I'm
anything.
gonna grow.
Look at him.
Top Hat scared me when he joined.
Whoa.
Help!
Help
me! Stupid.
Help me! Boost! Help!
I'm okay.
Guys,
Through my head.
help! Thank you, Hudson.
What's top
I
hat?
didn't press any triggers and it like.
Top hat?
It's Coco.
He doesn't have top hat.
That's his name.
Oh. Why are you named Top Hat? Is he on call?
No. Well, not with me.
Dunk. I broke double walls.
Yo, I just realized
I broke double
you can
walls.
build them without placing them, so you can like build. Up
I already did. There's a giant tree in them.
Useful.
Yo, I'm too lazy to go.
No, that's my gazebo. That's my gazebo.
I'm gonna go mini and go inside the Cedar Next.
No, place it back down.
Don't break them, please.
No,
Why
no.
tree? I'll make it.
That was a fail.
Oh god.
No,
Help!
Next.
You
Look,
can't jump.
this. Now you can jump high.
What the freak?
That didn't work. What the freak?
You what? Dunk.
Cedar Next.
Everybody
Hit it.
do friendship.
Hit it, look.
Do the friendship. Everybody grow and get friendship. We're gonna go in public.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Little bit.
No, guys, look. Cedar Next, I'm gonna make it longer.
Yeah.
You can do a small.
Top hat.
Help!
Do top hat. Come on.
Little baby. This is like Godzilla story. Like Roblox edit.
You guys do it to me! Don't do it to me!
All right, everybody, let's go into public.
Cedar Next! I need to go in.
My name is only.
All right, I'm gonna go into public. I'll be back soon. All right. Stay in this code.
Cedar Next! Let's go! I'm stuck.
All right, I'm in a public.
I'm done my gazebo. Bet.
Me and
You guys, what are your opinions on this update?
What a peaceful day.
Yo, Gorilla Tag, let this stay. Come on, this is best map in my opinion.
Okay.
Come on.
Bro, this is so good.
Very
Literally.
good.
But
I love this.
I don't want to play hide and seek.
Monkey.
Can somebody play the game?
I'm gonna do one more public and ask their opinions, and then go back in the code with Gil, Hudson, and all.
Want a game?
All right.
That's me.
I'm doing public.
Which map are we in? Are we in Forest?
Okay. The code.
No!
The comment is.
Yo! Ah! Yo, guys, what are your opinions? What are your opinions on the update? What are your opinions on the update? Alright, go first.
Wait, that's
You. What are your opinions on this update?
Leave him alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
not a good idea.
Honestly, I think it's pretty cool. I just wish that the blocks would reload sooner, and like you have friends.
Yeah.
So, like,
Yeah,
and
that would be
you can
good.
make, like different
Like a
stuff.
new game mode building competition. Yeah.
I wish
Yo, Hudson, wait, fly
Yo,
again.
guys,
Hudson, fly
look.
again.
What am I running into right now? I see a big
Nah.
tree right here. I see a big stump. Like tree.
Bro gained mods. Bro, what? Yo, let me try. Ah!
Look, there's no computer. I'm like, there's something here, but I don't know what it is. Look, there's platforms.
Are you
What-
modding?
Where am I on? Look, I'm modding.
What are you touching?
Womp womp.
I
Austin
don't
is
see
modding.
this.
Yo, what?
You
Oh.
guys are modding.
Ban
I
him.
don't see this right here. No,
Where
guys,
did Xenix go?
you're modding.
Ban.
Yo, how?
Loading.
Yeah,
Report
yeah.
Pickles,
No,
he's
no,
modding.
no, dude.
What is this?
Guys, how?
What is this right here?
Where is Xenix? Oh, there
Oh,
he is.
it works, yeah.
Yeah, it works.
It works. It
What?
works. Oh my gosh.
Look, Zeternick, you don't
What
see
are you
anything.
floating on?
Nah.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, they're just floating. It's so weird.
Yo,
I'm
damn.
reporting you.
Alright, guys. I'm ending here
You guys have a speed boost.
Be
so you guys go
prepared
faster than normal.
for our next video.
Look, what is
I don't
this?
have any
What is
ideas.
this?
So,
I'm trying to get up.
yeah.
What
If I find one, I'll probably
What
use
is
it.
that?
Yeah. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Goodbye.
You
Hey,
guys go to force. Go to
yo!
force. Stop.
Lifeside Blitz. Oh my.
Yeah, go with the
Now it's a
What the hell? Bro!
The blip is branching.
Yo!
Whoa! What the heck?
This update is broken. Yo! Look at him. Yo, what? Dude. I have the strangest friends, I swear. What?
I'm the best
Yo!
blimp player. I'm the best blimp player.
Yo, what?
He's walking
Don't-
away from us. Wait, come
Yeah, get in the battle bus, bro.
Look at this gorilla, like, there's no glitches in this update. No glitches.
Do 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 do.